I think that the Earth will one day no longer exist because the sun will die. The reason the sun will die is because the sun is a star, and all stars die. It will take a long time for this to happen, but I do believe that it will happen. Um, Without the sun, there is no heat being produced, and also the plants cannot produce the oxygen that is needed for the earth. Um, so without the sun, the earth would be inhabitable. So I do believe that at one point it will happen because it's just like a lot of other things in the universe. They started off as a hot blazing thing, and then um, they are molten rock, and then they are livable, and then at some point they go dormant. I think this will happen with the Earth as well.